Most times, farm owners believe they don't need to learn farming. Okay, who are farm owners? Farm owners are those people that are spending money on the farm. Farm owners are the person that owns the farm, as in, I'm the one that have interest. Most times, farm owners in Nigeria believe they don't need to learn the farming system. I just need to give them money and then they start farming for me. And at the end of the day, they give my return, or at the end of the day, they give my investment, or, that kind of mentality. But believe me, as farm owners, you are the one that is supposed to learn the basic. Yes, I know you are not going to stay on the farm, but you need to understand what the farm entails, because your farm manager is there because he's on salary. For instance, you're paying your farm manager monthly salary. Getting monthly salary means whether you sell or you did not sell, he's going to get his money. Whether you produce or you did not produce, he or she is going to get paid. Whether you harvest or you did not harvest, he or she is going to get paid. But for you, that you are bringing in the bulk money, you are the one that is bringing the millions, the thousands, the billions. So you should also take time to understand what it entails, so that when your farm manager is going to the farm or is giving you feedback, you'll be able to really reason with him or her and say, okay, no, that tomato you planted, you are supposed to give it water every 4 days, or you are supposed to give it fertilizer when it is 2 months old, or you are supposed to do this when it is so time. Because you are the one spending the money. You are the one that have the interest. You are the one that is committing the fund. Because you have the interest, you only employ farm manager to support you, to see that your interest gets, you employ farm manager so that they will support your dream to be a farmer. They will support your dream to harvest something from the farm. The farm managers are employed to support your dream, to join hands with you, to work with you to support your dream, to be able to double that your money or triple that your money. But in the event that you don't end up, you are not able to double that money, the farm manager is not going to bear anything with you along with it. You, the farm owner, is the one that's going to bear the cost. And that is why it is very much important for you to learn. Like somebody was asking me some days ago, he said, who is my farm manager? I said, I manage my farm myself. Since I'm always on ground, I only have farm workers. And I give instruction to my farm workers. You have farm managers because you cannot be on ground, because you cannot be available for the farm. So that is why you get a farm manager. Now that you have the farm manager, you also need to learn. When you learn and you know what is involved, you'll be able to reason with him and you'll be able to even guide him. Some of your farm managers don't even have the experience. As in, they don't have that practical experience, and secondly, they are not even thinking about your farm. They are thinking about their salary. But you are the one that have interest in that farm, and that is why you must develop interest. Outside the country, the farm owner is the farmer himself. The farm owner knows everything about the farm. As in, you know this, you know every practicality, every techniques, you learn it. It's not that you know it. Yes, we're not born with it. You also try to learn and understand it so that you can use it to work with people that are working with you on the farm. And that's the best way where you can get something from the farm. And that is why most times when I bring in classes like my Farm for Profit Academy, it specifically targets and believe you are the farm owners. You have the passion for the farm. You don't leave everything for your farm manager. When the going turns the other side, the farm manager is not going to be responsible for your finance. You are the one, you know your pocket. It's you that know your pocket. You know how much you've committed to that farm. And the farm is not bringing that money back. So you should learn. As a farm owner, you should learn. You should learn. Okay?